Hello, good day. My name is Simon Uzoma. Welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'll be sharing with us types of roofing sheet and their prices. I'll be giving us different type of roofing sheet and the prices of the roofing sheet. Before I continue, I want you to click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. In this channel, you'll be getting the best information when it comes to building, when it comes to roofing a house, when it comes to real estate and anything that has to do with building in Nigeria. You'll be getting it here free of charge. So click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's move on. Like I said earlier, I said I'll be sharing different type of roofing sheet. So you all know we have different type of roofing sheet. Okay, let me start with the stone tile. Now, stone tile has different types. They have bone tile. There's one they call classical tile, shingle tile, shake tile, rainbow tile, Milano tile, and Guran tile. Okay, now the question now is how much is per square meter? Per square meter for this stone tile is 4,200 naira per square meter. Yes, and this stone tile gives your house a good shape and makes it portable and makes it look good to bring out the beauty of the house. I recommend if you are building a house, you can try stone tile, and it's very good for the modern house. Okay, thank you. Okay, another roofing sheet that we have which is Metcopo. Now Metcopo, the prices differs based on the thickness of the roofing sheet, which is Metcopo. Okay, like we have 0.55, we have 0.50, we have 0.45, we have 0.40, we have 0.40 in, and so on and so forth. Now all these all these what I mentioned now, there are different prices because of the thickness. Like a 0.55 per square meter, you'll be getting that one for 5,230. Like 0.50, you'll be getting down for about 4,950. Okay, then 0.45, we can be getting down for about 4,750. Okay, then 0.4512, we getting down about 4,500. Okay, these are the prices of the Metcopo roofing sheet. Okay, yeah, another roofing sheet I have here is called step ties. Now under the step ties, we have a different thickness, how thick the step tie is. Like we have a 0.5, just like Metcopo, we have a 0.55, we have a 0.50, 0.45, 0.40, and so on and so forth, and they are in different prices. Like a 0.55 is about 5,200 naira. Then 0.50 is about 4,920. Then 0.5C is about 4,690. Then 0.4512 is about 4,450. Then we have 0.40 about 4,150 naira. These are the prices of a roofing sheet in Nigeria. Okay, yeah, now you've gotten the prices of the roofing sheet. Now the question now is how many square meters will it take me to roof my house or your own house? For instance, you are roofing bungalow, duplex, name them maybe 4 bedroom, 6 bedroom, 7 bedroom, and so on and so forth. Either bungalow or duplex or any of your building that you want to roof. Okay, now listen and listen very well. Anybody that comes, anybody that give you measurement without wood, which means for you to get the accurate size or accurate measurement of the building, there must be a woodwork, which means the woodwork must be done before measuring it. This might not be possible for you to just see a house and say this so square meter that can roof this house. There must be a woodwork, but the woodwork will actually come in different shape. There are different type of woodwork. So with this woodwork, you can easily get the measurement and know the how many square meter that you're going to use for the building. If you have any building that you want us to roof for you, we can easily roof it for. We have roofed so many houses in Lagos, in the eastern part, western part, and all over Nigeria. If you have a building that you want us to roof, give us a call and we will give you a wonderful roofing. We will give you a wonderful uh, and modern roofing that you will be proud of. Okay, I'm going to round up this video by giving us a different type of roofing design that you can use to this roof your house. Okay, number one, I have a pyramid roof design. Okay, a pyramid roof is the popular type of roofing, and it is a sort of hip roof with 4 triangles shaped side that's all sloped down. Okay, it goes downward, yeah, and it gives your house a beautiful shape and make it look modern. Okay, I will recommend you can go for this pyramid roofing design. It's a good one. Then the next one I have is a flat roof house design. This flat roof design has been existing for long now, and some people are using it, like especially those luxury styles and all those kind of houses in Lekki, Beju, all those all those wealthy people. They normally use this kind of style. They are frequently constructed with a little slope. Okay, it's a good one. This demonstrates that despite their appearance, they are not fully flat. They contain a slight slope that aid in water drainage. It's a very good one. You can go for this one. Then let me give you the third one. You can go for this. This one is a dormer roofing design. The roof of the dormer can be flat or pointed. Dormer design come in a variety of shape and sizes. Okay, it also add elegance and make your house look portable and beautiful. It bring out the shape of your house and other thing. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any roofing or any house you want to roof, give us a call. Our phone number is on the screen. Call us and tell us where the house is. We come and give you a wonderful roofing design. Thank you for watching. This is Simtech Properties. See ya. Bye.